Hi everyone, I'm Jules.
And I'm Rick.
And together we are Rick and Jules
Out and About. This video is a brief introduction to us, who we are, and a little bit about our background and forward plans with our new motorhome called
Chica. Ever since leaving school, I have done several admin roles, but then moved on later in life to study for an IT degree at university. Since graduating, I held several managerial roles, but never been happy with office life. I decided to resign and become self-employed. Firstly, I owned a national pet care franchise business, but then had to sell this business because we moved away from London. After that, I qualified as a pet groomer and went on to own my own pet grooming salon.
And when I left school, I joined Royal Mail in the City of London. I was there for 40 years until I took early retirement in my mid-50s. From then, we bought a villa in Spain, which we had for 10 years.
Yeah, we always loved to be in Spain. Spain is our favourite place, but now that we've got the motorhome, we do tend to venture to other places.
The bug hit us in our early days when we had little children. We had a long wheelbase LT35 VW campervan, which was quite old, but we managed to travel around France and the UK, and this is what
gave us the bug for travelling more and made us like motorhomes. The kids absolutely loved it, and since then they've grown up to have the travel bug, so we very rarely see them. They're home now and again, but they're always travelling, all of them. Yeah, we have loads of memories of that van. The kids loved it, absolutely loved it. We went around the whole of France and through the Alps. We never actually ventured into Spain back then. It was a little bit old, the van wasn't that reliable, but it was fun.
Now we got the travel bug and it's stuck with us, and now we're both retired, we can now venture in our new motorhome and see where we end up.
For a long time we kept looking online at motorhomes. Wasn't sure which one to get. We was looking at YouTube channels and getting some tips and tricks and ideas. Anyway, we're now the very proud owners of Chica. We'll have a tour coming very soon, but in the meantime we can show you some footage of the day we collected her from Anglesey. We made a long journey, took all day, but it's 17 hours in total, all the way from Essex to Anglesey in Wales. So here's the footage, hope you enjoy it.
At Chester.
Just waiting now for our fourth train to finally arrive at Bangor, where we're going to get collected and we're going to see our new motorhome. Can't wait!
Whee!
So we've picked up the motorhome and she's a real beauty. We're both very happy. What shall we call her, Rick?
We don't know. We're going to have a little competition when we get home with our kids and ask them. We're going to come up with something.
Yeah.
But it's definitely going to be the girly name.
It's a great idea. We're going to have a naming party. No doubt we'll let you know, and we'll also give you a full van tour. So all for now, we've got a long way back home. It's been a very long day, so we'll catch you later. Our first meal, yum.
Burger King! Milk, ketchup, chips.
Mmm. You got enough milk and ketchup there, Rick?
I sure have.
How is it, Rick?
Lovely. Just been to Anglesey, pick up this beauty. We hope you enjoyed that. Our plans moving forward is to bring you as much content as possible, either short trips in the UK or longer journeys in Europe.
And as our experience progresses, we hope to share any knowledge we acquire along the way and hopefully this will inspire you to do a similar journey. On that note, we'd love to thank many of the YouTubers that we've been watching over the past months and months. We do follow quite a lot of YouTubers who have given us lots of knowledge, places to visit, what type of van to buy. It's been absolutely fantastic. We'll leave a list on the screen just to give you a little shout out. Before we go, I'd like to introduce you to someone really special. I know you're gonna love her. Come on. Hey, here you go. This is Peggy the Chihuahua. She's going to be with us on all of our journeys. She's got a passport all ready so she can come with us wherever we go. We hope to bring you lots of inspiration on our journey. Hope you will join us. If you like our channel, please remember to hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe and share. Please remember to comment. We will be replying to every comment, but please be kind. Until the next one, guys, which was going to be our van tour, we'll see you then.
Out and about.
Bye.
Bye.